two of Hawaii's most beloved islands. Both promise paradise, but each offers a different kind of magic. So, which is better, Maui or Kauai? Let's explore their beaches, landscapes, culture, and adventures to help you choose your perfect Hawaiian getaway. Maui, known as the Valley Isle, strikes a perfect balance between adventure and comfort. It's polished, popular, and packed with variety, from luxury resorts to volcano hikes. Kauai, the Garden Isle, is quieter, wilder, and deeply rooted in nature. It's the oldest of the Hawaiian Islands, and it shows in its emerald cliffs, ancient jungles, and serene atmosphere. Maui is active, accessible, and diverse. Kauai is more peaceful, lush, and less developed. If you're chasing sun-soaked beaches and awe-inspiring natural backdrops, both Maui and Kauai deliver, but in very different ways. In Maui, the beaches feel endless. Wailea Beach offers soft golden sand and crystal clear water, perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and catching sunsets. Families will love Nā Pali Beach, with its wide shores and lively boardwalk. If you're after a dramatic touch, Waianapanapa State Park on the road to Hana boasts striking black sand beaches, surrounded by volcanic cliffs and blowholes. A must-see for photographers and adventure seekers. And then there's Makina Cove, also known as Secret Beach, a tucked-away slice of paradise for couples and solitude seekers. Maui's beaches are perfect for swimmable beaches with facilities, great for snorkeling, sunbathing, and water sports, easily accessible with parking, restrooms, and nearby resorts. Scenic drives like the road to Hana offer dozens of hidden beach gems. Kauai, known as the Garden Isle, is pure cinematic magic. The legendary Nā Pali Coast is its crown jewel, a 17-mile stretch of towering sea cliffs only accessible by boat, helicopter, or the famous Kalalau Trail. Down at sea level, Hanalei Bay is a traveller favourite, a crescent-shaped beach backed by waterfalls, taro fields, and a peaceful surf town. It's perfect for beginner surfers, scenic kayaking, and slow mornings with a local coffee in hand. For snorkeling, head to Tunnels Beach, where coral reefs stretch just offshore beneath the shadow of jungle-covered peaks. Or unwind on Poipu Beach, a family-friendly South Shore spot where Hawaiian monk seals sometimes nap on the sand. Travellers love Kauai's shores for its iconic hiking trails and rugged coastal scenery. Secluded beaches with dramatic landscapes, great for kayaking, photography, and connecting with nature. Less developed, fewer amenities, but more wild Hawaii feel. So if you're looking for ease, luxury, and variety, Maui's beaches are ready and waiting. But if you crave seclusion, untouched beauty, and raw drama, Kauai's coastline will steal your breath and your heart. Maui is packed with must-dos. Drive the legendary road to Hana for waterfalls and rainforest, or wake up early to catch sunrise above the clouds at Haleakala Volcano. In Kauai, adventure is more raw. Hike the Kalalau Trail for jaw-dropping ocean views, kayak the Wailea River, or take a scenic helicopter tour over the Nā Pali Coast, much of which is inaccessible by car. Choose Maui for great scenic road trips and guided adventures. Choose Kauai, ideal for hikers, paddlers, and true nature lovers. Maui offers a wide range of accommodations, from luxury resorts in Wailea and Ka'anapali to family-friendly condos in Kihei. It's also more accessible, with direct flights from major US cities. Kauai is more low-key. You'll find boutique hotels, eco-lodges, and laid-back beach cottages. While still easy to reach, the vibe here is far more unplugged. Maui has better infrastructure and upscale stays. Kauai keeps a slower pace and off-the-grid charm. Both islands offer rich Hawaiian culture, but Maui leans into curated experiences, luau performances, guided tours, and five-star restaurants with ocean views. Kauai's culture is subtle but authentic. You'll find local farmers markets, fresh poke bowls from food trucks, and towns like Hanapepe and Kapa that feel frozen in time. Maui is more polished and curated cultural activities. Kauai, an authentic grassroots island life. Let's talk crowds and cost. Maui is more developed and therefore more expensive, especially in tourist hubs. You'll find more people, but also more conveniences. Kauai is quieter and slightly more budget-friendly, especially outside of peak season. It's less about nightlife and more about nature. Maui is ideal if you want convenience and don't mind crowds. Kauai is best for tranquility, space, and slowing down. So, which is better, Maui or Kauai? Choose Maui if you want. Diverse activities, beautiful resorts, and easy access to everything. Choose Kauai. If you're looking for an untouched nature, fewer tourists and epic hikes, and peaceful beaches. But here's the truth. You can't go wrong with either. It all depends on the experience you're seeking. Comment below. Are you visiting Maui or Kauai? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel comparisons and island inspiration.